Welcome in, my friends. Now, the idea behind this video is I'm a beginner sports photographer who is headed out to shoot my first high school boys basketball game. And to make sure I can make the best images that I can, I searched YouTube for videos covering recommended best camera settings for a beginner shooting basketball. You're probably wondering what were the most recommended settings that I came across? Let's take a look at them right now. Shutter speed 1/1000th of a second, aperture 2.8, ISO at auto, white balance at auto, focus, continuous autofocus, and JPEG Fine. These weren't all the settings that were recommended, but these were the main ones that I came across. Now, the others that were kind of odds and ends that were thrown in, I've listed in the description, so you can check them out. Maybe you can add to them as well, and let me know what you think about the ones that were most recommended. Now, I've gone ahead, put the settings into my Sony a7 IV, which I'll be using along with the Tamron 70-180, and now I'm ready to go to the game. Before I jump into showing you some images, let me clarify one little point here. The settings that were recommended didn't come from strictly sports photographers. It came from just photographers in general, and some of them happen to shoot sports, and some happen to only shoot sports. So, with that being said, let's jump into the images. Results pretty much what I anticipated with the settings that were recommended. And so what did you learn from this? Did you learn that if you watch enough videos, you can get the right settings? Or maybe just watch my channel, because I tell you all the settings all the time. Now, if you're interested in what your camera might do if you put it in full auto mode and took it to a game, I've got you covered. Check out this video right here and you'll have your answer on what might happen. And then get out and shoot.